Imagine a world where a robot can serve you drinks, fold your clothes, or assemble a car with the precision of a master craftsman. That world is no longer science fiction, thanks to Tesla's Optimus Gen 3, a humanoid robot that redefines what machines are capable of. At the core of this technological marvel lies a story of relentless innovation, groundbreaking engineering, and a transformative vision for humanity's future. In a jaw-dropping reveal at the 2024 We Robot event, Elon Musk unveiled Optimus Gen 3, showcasing a machine that can dance, interact, and perform tasks with astonishing dexterity. But what does it take to create such a revolutionary robot? From advanced AI to the tireless engineers behind the scenes, today's featured episode will be the inside story of how Tesla turned a bold dream into reality, positioning Optimus Gen 3 as the pinnacle of humanoid robotics. But before we begin, please help us reach 6,000 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Optimus and the latest news. The journey of Optimus began in 2021 at Tesla's AI Day, when Elon Musk introduced the concept to a skeptical audience. The initial presentation featured a person in a robot suit, sparking doubts about Tesla's ambitions. Yet, in just 3 years, Tesla transformed this vision into a tangible reality. The first-generation Optimus, unveiled in 2021, was a proof of concept with limited mobility, capable of little more than basic walking. By 2022, Optimus Gen 2 emerged with improved movement and early factory testing, demonstrating its potential in real-world environments. The leap to Optimus Gen 3, revealed in 2024, marked a quantum jump. At the We Robot event, Optimus Gen 3 captivated audiences by performing complex tasks like serving drinks and navigating crowded spaces with ease. This rapid evolution reflects Tesla's unparalleled ability to iterate and innovate, driven by Musk's vision of a humanoid robot that is affordable, versatile, and transformative. With plans to deploy over 10,000 Optimus units in Tesla's factories by 2025, Tesla is setting the stage for a robotic revolution. At the core of Optimus Gen 3's brilliance is its revolutionary technology, blending artificial intelligence with state-of-the-art mechanical engineering. The robot's brain is powered by Tesla's full self-driving AI, an end-to-end neural network that allows Optimus to learn and adapt like a human. Unlike traditional robots that require specific programming for each task, Optimus can master new skills through observation and experience. At the World Robot Conference 2024, Optimus stunned onlookers by folding clothes, serving coffee, and responding to voice commands in real time, showcasing its ability to process complex instructions instantaneously. This AI prowess is complemented by a mechanical design that pushes the boundaries of robotics. With 22 degrees of freedom in its hands, Optimus can perform delicate tasks like playing the piano or grasping fragile objects with surgical precision. Its integrated sensor suite, including high-resolution cameras and force sensors, enables it to navigate dynamic environments and avoid obstacles effortlessly. Weighing 57 kilograms and capable of carrying up to 40 pounds, Optimus achieves a perfect balance of strength and agility. Its 10 to 12 hours battery life, a significant improvement over competitors like Unitree's G1 only 6 hours working, ensures sustained performance in demanding settings, from homes to factories. What changes have engineers made to the Tesla Bot Gen 3?
The hand might be close to half of all the engineering in Optimus. From an electromechanical standpoint, the hand is probably roughly half of the engineering.
Creating a robot of this caliber was no easy feat, and Tesla faced formidable technical challenges along the way. One of the biggest hurdles was optimizing the robot's weight and size. Tesla aimed to build a lightweight machine for easy mobility without sacrificing the strength needed for industrial tasks like transporting heavy components. To achieve this, engineers employed advanced materials such as aluminum alloys and carbon fiber, reducing weight while maintaining durability. They also redesigned the actuation system, enhancing efficiency to support complex movements. Another critical challenge was battery life. While Optimus Gen 3's 8-hour runtime is impressive, Tesla is already exploring next-generation energy solutions to extend operational time further, potentially revolutionizing the industry. Safety was paramount, given the robot's ability to move swiftly and handle heavy loads. Tesla integrated sophisticated AI algorithms to detect and avoid collisions, ensuring Optimus slows down or stops when risks are detected. These algorithms enable safe human-robot interactions, whether in a crowded household or a bustling factory floor. Overcoming these obstacles required seamless collaboration between software, hardware, and testing teams, each pushing the limits of their expertise to deliver a product that stands unrivaled in its capabilities. The true heroes of Optimus Gen 3 are the Tesla engineers who poured their hearts and minds into this project. Inspired by the trailblazing culture of SpaceX and Tesla, the team embraced a relentless pace, often working late nights to refine designs and test prototypes. Stories from the development process highlight their ingenuity and dedication. One engineer, as shared on X, attached sensors to their own hand to study grasping mechanics, leading to breakthroughs in Optimus's dexterity. Another team spent weeks perfecting the robot's walking gait, ensuring stability across uneven surfaces. Their efforts culminated in the triumphant We Robot event, where Optimus Gen 3 served guests, danced, and interacted with attendees, earning gasps of amazement. This showcase was more than a technical achievement. It was a testament to the team's collective spirit and unwavering commitment to Musk's vision. With hundreds of engineers collaborating across disciplines, Tesla has built a culture where bold ideas thrive, and Optimus Gen 3 is the shining result. Looking ahead, the future of Optimus Gen 3 is as exciting as its past. Tesla plans to begin limited production in 2025, deploying over 10,000 units in its Fremont and Shanghai factories to assist with tasks like vehicle assembly. By 2026, the company aims to scale up to mass production, targeting a price of $20,000 USD, making Optimus more affordable than many competitors such as Xpeng's PX5, priced up to $50,000 USD. This ambitious roadmap leverages Tesla's expertise in automated manufacturing honed through years of producing electric vehicles. However, challenges remain, whether Optimus's performances at We Robot relied on remote control rather than full autonomy, a concern echoed in discussions on X. Tesla must address these doubts through transparent real-world demonstrations to solidify trust in its AI capabilities. Beyond factories, Musk envisions Optimus transforming homes, healthcare, and even space exploration, potentially aiding SpaceX missions to Mars. With a projected global demand for 20 billion humanoid robots, as Musk has claimed, Optimus is poised to lead a market that estimates could reach 38 billion USD by 2035. At the end of the day, Optimus Gen 3 is not just a robot. It's a glimpse into a future where technology amplifies human potential. Its development is a masterclass in innovation, blending cutting-edge AI, meticulous engineering, and a fearless pursuit of the impossible. From its humble beginnings at AI Day 2021 to its show-stopping performance in 2024, Optimus has silenced skeptics and set a new standard for humanoid robotics. The robot's ability to learn, adapt, and perform with human-like finesse makes it a game-changer, outpacing competitors in versatility and vision. Whether it's speeding through factory tasks at 8 to 10 kilometers per hour, handling delicate objects with 22 degrees of freedom, or operating for 12 hours on a single charge, Optimus Gen 3 embodies Tesla's unmatched technological superiority. What aspect of Optimus Gen 3 excites you the most? Is it the AI that learns like a human, the hands that move with uncanny precision, or the speed that outstrips its rivals? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss the future of robotics together. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla's tech breakthrough, hit the like button, share this video, and ring the bell to stay updated on Optimus's journey. For more on how Optimus stacks up against its competitors or its role in shaping tomorrow, check out our related videos. The robotic revolution has begun, and Tesla is leading the charge. Elon Musk once again affirmed on the X platform that the Tesla factory, especially the new generation Cybercab production line, is designed around automation capabilities and the key role of Optimus. This statement serves as a clear declaration that the link between the humanoid robot Optimus and the Cybercab vehicle is a core part of Tesla's technological architecture. They can be seen as two specialized robotic entities. Optimus represents the bipedal mobile robot system, while Cybercab is the optimal wheeled robotic platform for transportation. What's noteworthy is that Optimus is expected to become a critical technical agent in the large-scale deployment of Cybercab units from the Giga Texas manufacturing complex. According to Elon Musk, this humanoid robot will be deeply integrated into the automated assembly process, performing numerous internal production tasks with high mechanical precision, and may even effectively replace 3 workers in certain stages. How will this happen? And when will Tesla complete its internal deployment plan? That's what we'll dive into in today's episode. Welcome to Technocreators. Before we begin, please help us reach 6,000 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great tech episodes. Why Tesla Bot could completely change how Tesla factories operate. Before delving into the deployment mechanism of Optimus on the Cybercab production line at Giga Texas, it's important to view the broader picture. The world is entering a phase of large-scale industrial transformation, in which artificial intelligence plays the role of an accelerating catalyst more powerful than any previous prediction. Even Tesla, long known as a leading electric vehicle manufacturer, is restructuring the very nature of its operations. Gradually, Tesla is no longer merely an automaker, but is repositioning itself as a technology conglomerate with deeply integrated AI at the core of its development strategy and product ecosystem. From the full self-driving FSD system implemented in Tesla vehicles, to the humanoid Tesla Bot Optimus, and even the Dojo supercomputer, a specialized hardware infrastructure developed in-house by Tesla to train large-scale AI models, all reflect Elon Musk's clear direction to integrate AI into every layer of technology that Tesla builds. One standout feature is post-assembly autonomy, where robots, immediately after being completed on the production line, can autonomously move to designated areas without manual intervention, much like how FSD-equipped vehicles can drive themselves out of the factory. In reality, for artificial intelligence to truly become powerful and groundbreaking, that is, to go beyond the digital realm and enter the physical world, Tesla has developed Optimus, a highly advanced humanoid robot. Think of it from a technical perspective. While pure AI can guide you through fixing a leaking pipe, an AI system integrated into an electromechanical robotic platform like Optimus can physically perform the task itself. From identifying the problem and analyzing potential solutions to executing precise physical movements using actuators that mimic human gestures. This marks the boundary between a passive AI and an active humanoid robot with the ability to perceive and act within the real-world environment. Currently, the race to develop humanoid robots is heating up globally, stretching from research hubs in China to North America. However, in terms of public and market attention, Tesla's Optimus still holds a prominent position. This is not only due to its technical capabilities, but also the brand value and curiosity that Tesla generates. Optimus is one of the few robots that has garnered both strong support and close scrutiny from the public, partly due to high expectations for the technology, and partly due to skepticism surrounding Elon Musk's bold claims. Many are waiting to see just how far a company best known for electric vehicles can truly extend its technical capabilities into the highly complex field of humanoid robotics. According to Elon Musk, the development path of Optimus does not follow the conventional roadmap that most humanoid robots are currently pursuing. The entire system, from mechanical architecture to microcontroller structures and software, is fully designed and manufactured in-house by Tesla. The core objective is to optimize costs in order to make Optimus a commercially viable robotic platform at scale. A major strategic advantage for Tesla lies in its ability to repurpose components already optimized in its electric vehicle industry, including drivetrain systems, electric motors, battery modules, and high-power electronics. This not only significantly shortens development time, but also reduces production costs and enhances technical consistency. While competitors must start from scratch, developing each system separately. Tesla is leveraging its proven manufacturing capabilities, allowing it to shorten deployment cycles and gain an edge in the humanoid robotics race. Elon Musk has expressed strong confidence in claiming that the Tesla bot, Optimus, will be the most intelligent humanoid robot in the world, thanks to a design philosophy aimed at replicating human capabilities as comprehensively as possible. By integrating an AI brain developed entirely in-house by Tesla, along with sophisticated perception and behavioral algorithms, Optimus is configured to perform repetitive and monotonous tasks, the kinds of jobs people often avoid in real-world work environments. What do you think about this? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We hope to bring the best information to you. Please give a thumbs up if you like this. Join Techno Creator by subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will not miss out on any awesome videos. We value your feedback. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay safe and have fun.